Namaste kids. Welcome to today's class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Hope you all are enjoying at your home. Keep enjoying, keep studying, keep learning new things. And I am always available with you to make you learn new things in a creative way. Today, I, Ankita, your teacher, is going to make you learn different things in maths. In our earlier videos, one day we have learned English, then Hindi, and today we are going to learn about maths. In maths, you all know different types of numbers. You all are familiar with the numbers, isn't it? Yes, you all are familiar with the numbers and various things you already have studied in maths. Now, today I am going to teach you about addition. I am going to teach you about addition. Addition मतलब जोड़. Addition मतलब जोड़. Okay? Okay. I have this pen. I have this pen. The number of the pen is 1. I have one pen. Mummy gave me another pen. Now I have 1 plus 1. 2 pens I have. Then Papa gave me another pen. Then I have 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 pens. Sorry. Then my sister gave me another pen. Let me count all these pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This we can count, and it is easy to count them and write 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total pens you have is 4 pens. Total pens you have is 4 pens. But now I have these 4 pens, and again Mama gave me 4 pens. 4 plus 4. Now see, I have 4 pens and I have 4 pens already. Then see, I have already 4 pens. Then Mama gave me 4 pens. Then again Papa gave me 4 pens, and then Didi gave me 4 pens. Now 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. It becomes difficult to count all the numbers of pens, isn't it? It becomes difficult. अब पेपर पे मैं लिख के आपको बताऊंगी कि इतने सारे पेन्स हमारे पास हैं. अब आप इसे ऐड करिए तो it will be difficult for you to add these pens. But today I have an idea. I have an idea. I will show you an activity how to add all these things. Okay? Today, with the help of an activity, we will know how to add the things. Okay. So, today's day is Wednesday. Date is 3rd June 2020. Subject maths, and your topic is activity based on addition. Activity based on addition. Now see, what are these? These are apples. Okay, here I have drawn 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I have drawn 2 apples. Now you can easily count these apples. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the total apples is 7. Total apples is 7. Here there are 2 cats, 1 and 2. 2 more cats came from the garden. 1, 2. So the total cat is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of cats is 4 cats. Okay. I have 6 flowers and my sister have 5 flowers. So the total number of flowers is 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of flowers is 11 flowers. Total number of flowers is 11 flowers. Like this we can count and we can write the total number of things. Sometimes the things become so much that we are not able to count it properly. Okay, and only every time you don't get these pictures to count and write. So I have got an activity for you. You can just do this activity at home, and in our further classes I will send you worksheets and you have to complete that worksheets based on this activity. For this activity you need a white sheet of paper. You need a white sheet of paper like this. A4 size paper you can use. You need a white sheet of paper, one paper. Then you need number cards. You need number cards. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the number cards. Okay, you can make it with the papers only. You can make it with पेपर ओनली. पेपर को टीयर करिए और पेपर से आप ये कार्ड्स बना सकते हो. नंबर कार्ड्स 1 to 9 number cards. Now on the white sheet of paper you have to make this. On the white sheet of paper you have to make this. Okay, ऊपर में आप लिखोगे एडिशन. This is addition. Then here you will leave the space blank and arrow wise you will show 2 boxes and नीचे आप एक drop down arrow बनाओगे जो नीचे की तरफ arrow जाएगा. Okay. Now what we will do with this is hope this is visible to all. Okay, I'll just keep it like this. Now I have got some peanuts. What I have got? I have got some peanuts. You can use anything else also, like pebbles or crayons, colors, pencils, anything you can, stones, you can use to make this addition. Okay, now I'll just give you some numbers. 9 and 8. 9 and okay, now let's start this activity. I have got two numbers, 9 and 8. Now 9, I have got the peanuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can again count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we have to add 9 and 8. We have to add 9 and 8. We will just put it all together over here. We have just kept all together over here. Now we will count. Now we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, and 1, 7, 17. These are all peanuts. 1, 7, 17. So the total number of peanuts is 1, 7, 17. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. Now let's change the number. Let's change the number. Let's take 7 and 5. We have changed the number. We have taken 7 and 5. Okay. Now the peanuts. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to count these all together. We will put it in this box and we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So The total number of peanuts is 12. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. For addition, you can also make this at your home and do addition with this. You can also make this at home and do addition with this. Okay. The symbol of addition is this. This is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition. Whenever this symbol is given anywhere, you need to add the things. Whenever this symbol is given anywhere, you need to add the things. Hope you like the activity. Hope you like the activity. See this. Hope you like the activity. And thank you, kids. Thank you for being a good learner. Thank you.